Hello, اليوم راح أسوي دجاج Parmesan. Hi there, today I'm making Parmesan chicken and it's a healthy dish without cream, and it also tastes as good with cream but has no cream. So let's start off. I've got some Parmesan cheese, just gonna pour it all in. Flour, salt and pepper. And now I'm just gonna mix it with my hands. Oh, and I forgot to say that here I've got some chicken breast sliced into thin pieces. Just gonna rub it. Oh, so weird. Now I've got my oil from my sun-dried tomatoes. I'm just gonna pour it on my pan, which is on medium heat. And now I'm just gonna use this thing, I don't know what it's called, and just put all of my pieces of chicken on here. Kind of kept the oil all in one place, but okay, so I just flipped my chicken and this is how it looked. I just need to wait for another 5 minutes for it to become ready. Because the next step, I'm gonna be making my sauce. I'm just gonna put my garlic. I'm gonna take the spatula, put all my garlic in and let it fry for 1 minute. And then add our next two ingredients. So this is how my garlic look. Now I'm just gonna add my sun-dried tomatoes all in, and I've got my mushrooms. I'm just gonna put it in. One doesn't want to be eaten. And now I'm just gonna mix it and let it fry until my mushrooms are a bit brown and almost soft. So while my mushrooms were frying, I dissolved my cornstarch into some of my milk. Now I'm just gonna pour my milk slowly so it does not splash, but I already made a splash off the table. And now I'm also gonna add my cornstarch, and I dissolved it so it doesn't lump up when I am making it, and it should be as thick as bechamel sauce. My sauce is almost thickened. Now I'm just gonna add, let me put that there. Now I'm just gonna add all my pieces of chicken. I'm just gonna sprinkle my Parmesan cheese. Last bit, yummy, yummy. Now my Italian herbs and basil. Yeah, some fell off the table, the pot. And now Italian herbs. Gonna pour it all. Now I'm just gonna mix it a bit and make sure everything's mixed together. And it smells so good. It's like filling the whole kitchen with the smell, and it also looks yummy. And I'm just gonna dig in right now and take the mushroom and I wanna try one of everything. Okay, finally. It tastes so amazing, and normally I don't like mushrooms, but I barely tasted the mushrooms while trying this because it tastes so good. And also the sauce itself tastes amazing. I'm gonna have this for my lunch, and see you guys in my next video.